Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I sailed the Carnival Venezia for the first time from New York City to Canada. I had a fabulous time. It was August 2023, and I would love to share my experience. I'm traveling today with my husband, Kelly. We are going to be checking out the adult-only Serenity first. You can find Serenity on the 15th floor. It has an elevator that will take you right up there. Serenity is very cool. As soon as you walk in, you get hit right away with just like this nice chill ambiance, really cool music. It's just really nice. So I wanted to make a video about it. You're probably wondering where all the people are. I've been hearing such horror stories about the Carnival Venezia and how crowded it is, and it is very crowded, but I do my very best to do everything opposite of what everybody else is doing. Most of this video footage was filmed while we were docked in New York City, Halifax, and St. John's. There are two very large hot tubs in Serenity. Here are the stairs going up and the stairs going down for anybody with mobility issues. During our sailing, one of the hot tubs were very warm and very busy a lot of the time, and one of them was pretty cold. We went up there one day when it was raining. We're like, oh gosh, it would be so nice to get a nice hot tub. And it wasn't a very pleasurable experience. So most people, when they board the ship, they find their cabin, they go get something to eat. They find the bar, they go to the Lido deck party, but we went to Serenity instead. I already knew about Serenity because I have sailed on Carnival Cruise before on the Liberty. This one is much nicer though. Also in this video, after our Serenity tour, I'm going to take you to Deck 5. Deck 5 is where all the specialty restaurants are. A lot of them have bars outside, and there's a lot of nice little secret lounging areas out there that I want to show you. So if you're looking for a place to escape the madness, and I'm talking to you, if you're afraid about your upcoming trip that it's going to be too busy, I'm going to show you how you can have a really good time. If this video is feeling repetitive to you, it is because both sides are exactly the same. They're identical. I got lost so many times. I'm like, wait a minute. Wait, oh no, it's on the other side. Hanging out up here on the day at sea sounds great, but you might get a seat, but you probably won't unless you get here super early or someone leaves and you can grab it. But honestly, the times you gotta go are the times nobody else is there because you'll have the whole place to yourself. Which seat would you choose? Have you personally sailed on the Carnival Venezia yet? How was your time? Do you have any tips and tricks you'd like to add? Please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. This is the 5th video I'm making the Carnival Venezia, and I have a few more I'm editing. So if you do want to see more of this, if you're going on the cruise in the future, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. It's free. All you have to do is hit the button. It's very easy. And I will leave a playlist at the end of this video of the videos that I've already made. And like I said, I have a few more that I'm working on that I will have out very soon. While everybody else was touring Canada, we were at Serenity enjoying the peace and quiet. We did tour Canada too. We just came back early to enjoy this. Kelly's happy because it's almost lunchtime. I think we're gonna go check out Guy's Burgers. Guy's Burgers joint, that's our favorite. We love that. You can check out our food tour. I have a video of everything we ate on the Carnival Cruise. That was like a 20-minute long video. We had some strong winds. That's also a very fun time to go to Serenity. If there's a drop of rain, people don't go. So that's a great time to go. I honestly don't know when people say they don't like cruising, how that could even happen. I mean, this is like heaven to me. I absolutely love this. It feels like home. Now come join me as we go explore Deck 5. So if you have a hard time finding seating at Serenity, definitely come to Deck 5, especially the areas that aren't too sunny. There was plenty of seating. And it was very peaceful and beautiful. Cruising or any vacation is how you look at it as well. You know, you could take a bad situation and you can make it worse, or you could look on the bright side of it and say, hey, at least I'm here. You know, I'm not home and I'm not at work. You know, it's like sometimes everything doesn't turn out as perfectly as planned, but you're still on a cruise and it's still wonderful. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Serenity and Deck 5. Thank you so much for hanging with me. Please feel free to share this with anybody who may be nervous about going on the Carnival Venezia. Yes, the Venezia can definitely get crowded, but if you watch my videos, I'll show you how to make the best of your vacation, and it could be awesome. Here are some of the videos that I already have published, and I will be publishing more in the very near future. The Where We Ate episode was very fun to make. Also, if you're going to Canada, I already published Halifax. I'll be publishing St. John's very soon of what we did while we were around there. We did walking tours. And also, if you're a casino guy or gal, I'm going to show you the casino and some of the bonuses that I won. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. My name is Jennifer Sparks. It was lovely being your tour guide. You can click on above and check out my other videos. Be well to yourself, be kind to others, safe travels to you, and happy cruising.